Hi, I am Lisa James. I am a nutritionist here at Well Within Reach. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the connection between the gut and the brain. I'm sure you've heard the saying, what is your gut telling you to do? Are you having a gut feeling about something? There's a reason that these sayings are so common. The nervous system that connects the brain to the gut has more nerve connections in it than the spinal cord. The biggest nervous system network other than the gut or the enteric nervous system is the brain. The microbes or good gut bacteria that is in our colon that make up our gut flora produces many of our neurotransmitters that are important for our brain and our mental health. GABA and dopamine are two of the more important neurotransmitters in our brain, along with serotonin. To give you an idea about how much of a role the gut plays in mental health, 90% of our serotonin is produced in our gut. Serotonin really is our happy hormone. So if your gut is not in a good condition, then your mental capacity or brain is not going to be in a good condition either. So if you're dealing with symptoms such as anxiety, depression, sleep disorders, attention disorders, the problem may be a little bit deeper than you think. Things that we can do to keep the gut healthy: eating fermented foods or taking probiotics, making sure we're avoiding sugars, grains, carbs, even in some cases dairies and some meats. Also, we want to try to keep the gut acid where it needs to be by either using supplements or apple cider vinegar can be very helpful. Also, we really want to avoid antibiotics or animal products with antibiotics in them, along with trying to avoid sugars, artificial sweeteners, and genetically modified foods that can severely damage the gut. So if you're feeling like it might be time for a gut check, get in to see us either via an in-person consultation or online options to make sure that both your gut and brain are in tip-top shape.